What if history isn't exactly as we've been told? Across the world, archaeologists have uncovered strange artifacts and ancient structures that challenge everything we thought we knew about the past. Some of these discoveries have been dismissed, hidden, or outright suppressed, because if they were fully accepted, they could rewrite history itself. Were these finds mistakes, hoaxes, or evidence of something we're not supposed to know? Get ready, because today we're exploring the top 10 forbidden archaeological discoveries that changed history. 10. The Baghdad Battery. Discovered in Iraq in the 1930s, the Baghdad Battery consists of clay jars containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Some researchers believe these were ancient electrical batteries, possibly used for electroplating gold onto objects. But how could an ancient civilization, thousands of years before modern electricity, have known about such technology? If true, it suggests that knowledge of electricity existed far earlier than recorded history tells us. 9. The Piri Reis Map. In 1513, an Ottoman admiral named Piri Reis created a world map that contains something shocking, an accurate depiction of Antarctica without ice. The problem? Antarctica wasn't officially discovered until 1820, and modern science only recently mapped its ice-free coastline using radar. Some believe this map was based on much older lost knowledge, suggesting ancient civilizations may have explored the world long before we thought possible. 8. The Ica Stones. In Peru, thousands of carved stones were discovered featuring dinosaurs, advanced surgery, and celestial knowledge. The Ica Stones, as they're called, seem to depict scenes of humans coexisting with dinosaurs, something mainstream science says is impossible. While some argue they were a modern hoax, others believe they could be evidence of a lost civilization that recorded a history different from what we've been taught. 7. The Antikythera Mechanism. Often referred to as the first analog computer, the Antikythera Mechanism was found in an ancient Greek shipwreck and dates back over 2,000 years. This incredibly advanced device could predict astronomical positions, eclipses, and planetary movements with remarkable accuracy. How did the ancient Greeks develop such sophisticated technology? Some believe it's proof that ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we realize. 6. The giants of North America. For years, rumors and newspaper reports from the 19th and early 20th centuries claimed that giant skeletons, some over 10 feet tall, were unearthed in North America. The Smithsonian Institution has been accused of covering up these finds to protect mainstream historical narratives. Were these just misidentified remains, or did giants really walk the earth in the distant past? 5. The Dropa Stones. In a remote cave in China, researchers supposedly found hundreds of strange stone discs engraved with tiny hieroglyphs. The Dropa Stones, as they're called, were allegedly deciphered to reveal an astonishing story, an ancient extraterrestrial crash landing thousands of years ago. While skeptics argue the story is fictional, the stones themselves remain a mystery, leading to speculation that they might be remnants of an unknown lost civilization. 4. The Longyou Caves. Hidden beneath China's Zhejiang province are the Longyou Caves, a massive underground complex with intricately carved walls and ceilings, yet no historical records explain who built them or why. These caves are so perfectly crafted that they appear to have been carved with precision tools far more advanced than what ancient Chinese civilizations had. Were they made by an unknown culture, or could they be the remains of a lost technological age? 3. The Siberian Valley of Death. Deep in the Siberian wilderness, locals have long spoken of mysterious metal domes hidden beneath the frozen ground. According to legend, these domes, called the Valley of Death structures, were used by an unknown ancient race to shoot down objects from the sky. Some explorers claim to have seen them, while others say they've been mysteriously buried or removed. Could this be evidence of an ancient defense system, or is it just another unsolved mystery? 2. The Forbidden Cave Art of Lascaux. The Lascaux Caves in France contain some of the most famous prehistoric cave paintings, but what's most controversial are the strange symbols and figures that don't fit with known human history. Some of the drawings resemble star constellations, suggesting early humans had advanced astronomical knowledge. Others appear to depict unusual humanoid figures, fueling theories that the artists were inspired by beings from beyond our world. Birinci Göbekli Tepe, the oldest temple in the world. Discovered in Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is a massive megalithic site dating back over 12,000 years before agriculture, before writing, and before cities. This site should not exist based on what we know about human history. It suggests that advanced societies with architectural skills existed thousands of years earlier than mainstream historians believed. Who built it? And why was it intentionally buried? Göbekli Tepe changes everything we thought we knew about early civilization. These discoveries challenge the traditional timeline of human history, and some of them raise more questions than answers. Were ancient civilizations more advanced than we ever imagined? Did lost knowledge exist that has since been erased? Let us know in the comments which discovery shocked you the most. And if you love uncovering history's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more incredible content. Until next time, stay curious, stay